Dear students, today we will cover how to write notice in the series of writing section. In this English medium series, we will come to know how to write a notice. I hope you have already gone through the notice written on the school notice board. This notice is also this notice can also be written in companies, in firms, in localities, in societies, on so many places. So I try to make you understand the notice to be written on various occasions. Let's begin with this format of notice, how to write it. Dear students, whenever you are given a question to write a notice, you are given all the information that I want to write in these blanks. These blanks are for the variable information. Suppose the name of the class and section, the name of the department may change, and you will have to go according to the requirements. That's why I left blanks here. You are given a question, and in your question you are given name of the school. You are the student, your name is also given. Suppose you are Satish or Sarika of VIP Inter College Pilakhua. Then you will write in place of XYZ VIP Inter College Pilakhua. Then you will write the word NOTICE, notice, and then you will write date. When you write date, this should be along this margin. It should be in a same length. And thereafter you will write caption in capital letters. Caption is the title or the program that is going to be organized. And whenever you write date, this space should be blank, and you write in the next line caption in the center of the page in capital letters. Then you start writing with these certain words, although however you can write some other words too, but if you go through these words and you learn all this, then it would be easy to get more marks. This is hereby informed to all the I gave here a blank because students, workers, personnel, doctors, nurses can also be filled here according to the question and occasion. And after this I wrote off and then blank. If I am writing students, then the class and section. Suppose to all the students of class 12th. If I say all the workers of welding department, society, locality, whatever you need, you can write here. That the school, if the students are there, they will be related to a school. If the workers are there, they will be related to a company or workshop. You will write here. Is going to organize. It means this institution, this organization is going to organize the name of the program. A seminar, a social gathering, get together, and any program, you can write whatever is written in the question. And after this you are given on and then blank. After on you will write date, at venue, in the school grounds, in the company, in the auditorium, anywhere that is written in the question. And then additional information is conditional information. It varies according to the question, and you will put from there in this blank. And in the last I think you must give this sentence: for further details contact to the undersigned. For further details, further means next. If suppose reader is not able to grasp all this information, then he will have to take some next information. In this way he will have to contact to the undersigned. Undersigned means the person who is here, the name of the person and the designation means post. Suppose you are the captain of the team, then you will write name XYZ, your name, and then in this bracket captain or vice captain or house captain, whoever you are. And one more thing, that is first and foremost, you will have to close this entire notice in the box. It's a mandatory. Students, I hope you have gone through all this, and you can also use some other formats of writing to write notice, and we will discuss those format and other types of writing notices in next videos. Thanks.